I take this one, red wine, apple juice. This journey is so far so good. This is the meal, sprouts, sweets, butter, chocolate. That's cute, man. Emirates ka chocolate आप देख सकते हो. Must give at least 3-4, but still the food quality was amazing, taste was amazing, but still because of the option, वो एक मांग के रखा होता है. But the crew service is amazing. 5 out of 5. I just asked them like red wine and apple juice. उन्होंने बर्गर किया. Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. That's Subhath Munshi. We're back with a video. Today is 20 March 2024 and we are inside the Kolkata airport. First time inside the international terminal of Calcutta airport. I just completed my immigration and everything. And thumbnails dekhe to aapko pata chal gaya hai ki today we are traveling by Emirates, which is my dream airline since my childhood. I just play the Emirates game, but I never thought ki I will get a chance to fly with Emirates. Yeah, but today it's finally happened. So here's the Kolkata airport once again, international area, you can see. Now it's like 7:50, flight will be reached by 8:30 ko boarding hoga and then we'll go to Dubai. And that's the Emirates boarding pass. Thing is that subah ka flight hai, so main raat ko kuch kha liya tha. I don't have anything now. Let's wait for the flight and let's see kitna baje aata hai. Look of the hangar of Kolkata airport for Air India. You can see 2 Airbus A320 hai and there's some jets. पोपट हुआ पोपट की मैं आजकल कहीं पे जाने से पहले आई फील नर्वस 2023 या फिर उससे पहले आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड लाइक एवरी ट्रिप बिफोर आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड कि मैं 5-6 दिन पहले से बट अभी क्या होता है कि मैं नर्वस फील करता हूँ क्यों शायद उम्र हो रही है. फाइनली बहुत कसरत के बाद वी इनसाइड द लाउंज एंड बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ा. सो दिस इज ट्रैवलर्स लाउंज ट्रैवल क्लब लाउंज कोलकाता एंड वी गेट अमेजिंग ब्रेकफास्ट पोहा सॉसेज idli, sprout, yogurt, aloo and some soda juice. कैसा रहता है टेस्ट इनका? Not bad, बहुत अच्छा है. You can see the basic breakfast stuffs. This is the South Indian and this chutney is so amazing dude. So now if you go to the main course of breakfast, we got poha over here, poha plus vada plus some aloo dum and then some healthy things which is boiled stuff. And the best thing which is your laga, excuse me, you can see the eggs बहुत मस्त shape में रखा हुआ है. I'm gonna take try the fruits and some pastries. So dude, that was my lounge at Kolkata airport, Travelers Club lounge, and I have to admit this is one of the best lounge in India. I've been to Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kham. The best thing, lounge तो compact है छोटा सा है, but yeah, the food quality over there is so amazing. And if you guys are coming, must try the coconut chutney with the idli. It's so delicious. Flight लगा हुआ है. Now we'll go to the boat. Here is our boy for today's journey. Habibi Emirates Boeing 777. So you can see that's our giant boy Al Habibi Emirates. The face of Boeing 777 Emmy. So we are inside the Emirates Boeing 777. So that's our seat for today's journey. Excuse me. What if we get the amenities? An Emirates headphone, a blanket, a pillow and this amazing seat. So dude, finally we are inside the Emirates economy and as I promised last time मैं जब दुबई जा रहा था उस साइड से I show the plane and I promise that next time whenever I go to Dubai I'll take Emirates. So you can see the texture of the aircraft body, it's so premium. Slowly we'll show you all the amenities, but it's so like 5 घंटे का flight है, so we'll get enough time to discover, enough time to explore and show you the all stuff of the Emirates economy cabin. And also with this boarding I promise you guys next time we'll check the business class, like Emirates economy, Emirates business and then inshallah Emirates first class. So let's have a quick seat review of Emirates 777-300 ER. Seats are so amazing comfortable. Kinda similar of Air India A350 but it's better than Air India A350 for sure. Colors are so vibrant. You'll get a super fresh mood whenever you see the seat color. Handrest, plenty of leg space. There's the control. Yeah. over, so it's not working, and I don't know how to keep it back. Anyhow, so screens are blank right now because crew will be announced something. So here we all set to depart from Calcutta, and Dubai is all set to welcome us. So I'm super excited. If you guys are excited too, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button, okay? Otherwise videos नहीं मिलेगा. Here the push package started, and I remember like most of the time when I used to take the morning flight to Delhi. So क्या होता है कि Air India उस time they provide Dreamliner for Kolkata Delhi flight. I often see this Emirates flights take off, and मेरा मन नहीं मन में किसी दिन चलेंगे इस पे. And last year, as I told, I promised. So को पहले छोड़ दिया. Like if you just place from here. That's nice. So here we are inside the Emirates washroom, and this is common. So yeah, but it's okay, it's average. The experience, the flight experience is average, like 3 out of 5. Washroom was not that clean, so like 2 out of 5. Cruise are okay, 4 out of 5. This journey is so far so good. बस 1 घंटा हुआ है, 4 hours to go, and let's see how it's going. And सब लोग बहुत थके हुए हैं, everyone is sleeping because morning flight का वही थकल है, but I took the melatonin and I had a very amazing sleep. Actually, I just want to experience the Emirates. Looks amazing, like glitterish. So the blankets are so soft and good, like ओढ़ने के लिए and बिछाने के लिए and सोने के लिए. Emirates branding also over here. Emirates. Okay, so a wide range of meal has been served. But trust me, मेरा खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I had enough at the lounge. So let me just see what they have 2 options. One is for fish, another for veg. Fish may I have doubts, so I just took the veg one. And next time if I travel by Emirates, we'll try the non-veg. I take this one, red wine, apple juice, water. There's a bun. This is the milk, sprouts, sweets, butter. Chocolate, that's cute man. Emirates का chocolate आप देख सकते हो. Ketchup और chutney and the cutlery, yeah, steel cutlery I guess. भगवान को thank you बोल के we are having to start our meal. See. So let's open the cutlery first. I don't know why airlines are giving steel cutleries. It's very risky, you know. So we got a tissue also. Something chana dalna curry. So because it's Kolkata flight, so I guess okay. Foods को मिलता है 4 out of 5 because they have 2 limited options. I guess like economy may be in a short route. They must give at least 3, 4. but still the food quality was amazing, taste was amazing, but still because of the option like मांग के रखा होता है. But the crew service is amazing, 5 out of 5. I just asked them like red wine and apple juice. Yeah, you can see like red wine and apple juice. So you can see हमारे नीचे एक विस्तारा का फ्लाइट जा रहा है. This is below to us. इसको मिलता है 4 out of 5, क्रू को मिलता है 5 out of 5, and this flight को मिलता है overall 4 out of 5 because it's a bit retro. Oh my god! Wow! But yeah, dude, Emirates चलने का जो ड्रीम था पूरा हो गया. Now might आगे something else. I'll show one reveal to you. But yeah, flight का mood बना दिया. You can see. Emirates services are so amazing. मतलब एक होता है ना कि like to make you happy or just feels you real happy. So they're not like just show off to make you happy. They're making you real happy inside. So what happened is I already had like 2 glass of red wine, 3 glass of apple juice, and the end they're also serving refreshment like खाने के बाद after midnight and all, and still again they're providing this. So yeah, thumbs up to Emirates and 5 out of 5 to Emirates. We have successfully landed in United Arab Emirates, Dubai International Airport, Terminal 3. Landing was very successful.